Hello stock stalkers, welcome back to the only channel where you get regular updates on UAE stock markets, also where I share my technical analysis, my strategies and many more. Dubai financial market was very bullish today. It was unstoppable. After a long time we are seeing more than 7,000 trades in a day, also with increased volumes. Let's straight away dive into this video, analyze the market index and check out some potential stocks that we can trade. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. Market today broke a major resistance of 3,300. Here we have a history that market was trying to cross the resistance. Market got rejected here again for the second time. We saw similar result. Market got rejected and it came down. Now it attempted for the third time and this time it was successful. Market as of now is looking very bullish. More upside is expected. Immediate resistance is around 3,355 zone. But trust me guys, this is looking very bullish to me. It may come down to retest the same area, that is 3,300. Again it will take a bounce and I'm looking at 3,500 in short to mid term. So this is a very good time to invest in Dubai financial market. Many stocks are looking very bullish. It's good time to purchase for gains. Let's check out some stocks. Emaar Properties today broke out the symmetrical triangle pattern right here. As you can see, this is the upper resistance, this is the lower support zone. Market was trading within this zone for so many days. Eventually today we saw a breakout. Also it broke the resistance of 5.00. With a breakout we want to see good volumes and we saw some good volumes today, indicating institutions and big boys are buying Emaar Properties. Next resistance for Emaar Properties is at 5.10. Then next is 5.25 to 5.30 zone. Any weakness in Emaar Properties would be considered as buying opportunities. It may come back to retest the support zone. A small correction is expected, but definitely slowly and steadily you can expect your target around 5.30. So definitely Emaar Properties is looking very bullish, highly recommended. Dubai financial market also broke a resistance zone. Let us understand this one. Previously the same zone was acting as support. Market took a bounce from here. Again when it came back to retest, we are seeing a bounce. But here support was broken. Support once broken will act potentially as resistance. We could see market was trying to break this zone. It was failing. It came down. Now again it tried for the second time. Again we saw a red candle, inverted hammer candle right into the resistance zone, which means rejection. Sellers are aggressive here. Today what we are seeing is a breakthrough right into the resistance zone. So how do we trade this one? Definitely we want to see a retest of the same area, that is previous resistance and now a support zone. So for that what we have to do is just go down to our lower time frame and see how the market is reacting in our area. I will go down to 15 minutes chart. Here we can zoom in the chart and see how the market reacted after a breakout. We can see market broke the resistance with this solid green candle and it have already come back for a retest. This is a good chance to enter the market right here at 2.42. Tomorrow we can expect more upside. As of now, immediate resistance is around 2.55 and then we can also see 2.65 in near future. Dubai Islamic Bank, very good stock. I have been recommending this stock again and again. As of now what we can see is a nice retest of this zone that was previously a resistance. Now it's acting as support. A breakout of this resistance, when it comes back for a retest, this becomes your support zone or a buy zone. As of now market is a bit extended. Today it performed very well. It's almost up by 2%. Now, where are your targets and what should be your plan of action? If I use my Fibonacci tool, we can place it at the swing low right here. This was the swing low where market started to move up. This was the place where it took a rest or a pause and it came down for a correction. So these two are our important points. We take our Fibonacci tool, mark the swing low and mark the swing high. Where is it showing the resistance? Here it took a retest right at the 50% level, that is a golden ratio of Fibonacci, and then our first target was obviously met right here at 5.82. Second target is at 5.93. So you can expect some kind of resistance in this zone. If you have bought at the lower levels, this is a good time to book your profits. DR Development, it's trying to fill up the gap that it had created before. Right here we can see a gap down. As of now the same gap is acting as a resistance. Still we are seeing market is trying to cross. Thanks to Emaar Properties, it lifted up the real estate sector today. I'm still not convinced with DR. This support zone is tested so many times and it's getting weaker now. Immediate hurdle is at 4.80. Once market crosses this zone or this swing high, that is somewhere around 0.495, market will be very bullish. Then we can see ABC chart pattern. Then DR can be considered very bullish. As of now, immediate hurdle and major resistance is 4.80. I think once it crosses, buying pressure will come in. We can also cross this resistance of 0.495. Then we have next hurdle at 0.525 right here. Potentially, this zone can be a good place to buy. Why is it? Say for example, if you want to enter DR at 0.475 right at the closing, your stop loss will be very small, that is just below this swing low, somewhere around 0.458. So this is your risk right here. This is your risk level and your reward is at least times 3. So you are targeting 1:3 risk reward ratio, which is good, but as of now immediate hurdle is at 0.480. Guys, if my video is helpful and if you're learning something out of it, do not forget to support the channel, hit the like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Emirates NBD. This is the daily chart. As we know, Emirates NBD is stuck within a range. This is the resistance, this is the support, resistance, support. As of now, we can see it's following this trend line right here. We can see it's making higher highs and higher lows, but still it's within this range. So if you would like to enter somewhere around here, this is your target, that is 14.25. Today's closing is very bullish. 14.00 is a strong resistance. We saw some sellers sitting right at this level. Also, if we talk about the volumes, today we can see volumes are increasing. It means big boys have started coming in and they are taking positions. Yes, at the same time, once market breaks this level of 14.25, comes back for a retest, this would be a good place to buy again. We will see a new high very soon. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.